In this video, I'm going to get your stream started in no time. Live streaming had been with us since November of 1998, as I had made the video encoding of H.264 and HVET, and now more encoding options as if we are in the future. Now we are in the presence of the future where live streaming is more than ever. Gamers streaming on Twitch and on many other social media platforms that they can go live on. If you recently started your channel within the past 90 days, we will need to verify your account. Without verifying your account, you will not be able to live stream onto YouTube. In this case, we will need your phone or ask your guardian for their phone in order to get their verification code. Select your own country. In my case, that's the United States, or where your country is. Now we have this question that's asking us where the code is going to be delivered. We'll click on the bottom that says text verification. Above is an option to verify by a phone call to get your verification code. Select your language that you would get the verification to. In my case, that's English. Now let's insert your game coin of your phone number. Good job, we just completed filling in all of the information. Now let's click on submit. Now you will receive is a text message or a phone call in the next 30 seconds. To get your 6-digit code, then insert it inside of the box and click on submit again. Now you are verified and you just activated it. Now it's going to take 24 hours for you to have access to the live streaming dashboard. Now you can continue along with me as we continue on through the dashboard setup, so then you can be set for what's coming up. If I'm helping you greatly throughout this process, if you subscribe to my channel, I'm going to give you more streaming tips and how you can get started on streaming. Our first option to get to the streaming dashboard is right beside the waffle on the left. It's a gray icon showing a camera with a plus sign, and this is where we would usually upload our video. But we're not uploading our video, instead we're going live. So right below it, click on Go Live. Our second option to getting to the live streaming dashboard is to click on your profile icon, then clicking on the YouTube Studio above Switch Account. Now we're in your channel dashboard. So above channel analytics, click on Go Live right beside the upload icon. Once your live streaming dashboard activates on YouTube, it's going to prompt you to something like this. Right below your title, you get to choose your visibility, decide what video visibility you will want. If you want more people to see it or just family members. If you want to be broad on YouTube with live streaming, click on public. Right below your visibility, you have your option of a description. It's recommended to type at least 100 words in your description. Below your description is your category. Choose your category depending on what you're going to be talking about or what you're going to be covering about live. Right below your game category is your thumbnail. This is what people will see on YouTube itself will be seeing in order to click on your live stream. And certainly, but not least, make sure that you fill out the COPPA. Voila, if it's going to be for kids or not. I chose no. Between the share and the profile icon of our channel, we have the stream settings. In the stream settings, we are able to decide our monetization and if you want to embed. In most of my live streams, I allow embedding. This would allow your live to be listed on any article on the internet or in a text. We will get into the stream key in a bit, so below the URL and the stream keys is your latency. For our stream latency and encoding, you will need at least 6 gigabytes of upload speed, not download speed. Right below our added delay is closed captions. People are able to read it, but I would not recommend turning it on because sometimes YouTube does false wording. Below closed captions, we have the option for YouTube to automatically unlist the live stream DVR right when it would end. This would mean that viewers are able to still see it, but it's not listed on your channel page. Right below our details is a live chat. Here we're able to decide if we want to enable our live chat, allow our live chat to be replayed in our DVR or digital video record, and we can add a mode if you want to slow down our chat, and add moderators in your community setting. If you want to know about this, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments down below. We have our analytics and stream health. This is going to tell us our status of the stream and how many people are watching. After this video, I'm going to be linking you how you can install it. This is what we had been waiting for. is our stream key. And a stream key is like a verification code but for open broadcast software. For your free encoding software to make sure it's your channel and not another channel. Right below what we have is our stream URL. So now let's place it in our free broadcasting software. Our free streaming software, we would click on settings and stream. I would select my service as YouTube, server primary. We don't necessarily need to place in our URL. If you have a URL to any other streaming service, then click on YouTube and click on custom. For our stream key, we will need our stream key right under our stream key. I know that sounds confusing, but that's the verification code. Once you copied your encoder, remove out your current stream key, which you don't have any, and click on Ctrl and V or copy and paste. Now we had inserted our stream key. Let's click on apply, then OK. Now you are set, so you can click on start streaming if you are already set. If we click on a pancakes, I hop to webcam. You'll not have the access to add graphics or anything, but if you want to, I'm going to link it to the end of this video, so make sure that you keep on watching. Your device's webcam that you're able to use. You will not be able to have graphics or anything. In our webcam stream info, we would set a title of what we're going to be live streaming about, and below it is our visibility of what people can see it. Then we can choose if we want to schedule it for later or not. Right below our scheduling is our audience. We want to make sure that we do this just like how we did it with our stream and our broadcast software. We want to select no, but if it's mainly for kids, select yes. And age restriction. You can go ahead and check that. Right here on your screen is also what's going to be showing if you're going live on your phone. We will get into that in a bit. Here you get to upload a custom thumbnail, retake your thumbnail, you got to review your title, category, schedule, privacy, and everything else. And you can just click on go live. So here in manage, you get to see all of your past live streams and what you scheduled in the past, type that you would be using, the date, and visibility. The blue icon above connection is where you can schedule your stream. You can use your stream with the last used settings, so we're going to create a new one. That's right beside your reuse settings. Here we're able to set a title, our visibility, our description, our category, our scheduled time, our upload. We would need our custom upload thumbnail, and our audience. Once you're done filling all of that out, click on create stream. So I don't currently have access towards streaming through the YouTube app, but we'll need to follow the requirements of the eligibility of 1,000 subscribers to have this option. If this video was very helpful to you, tell me what is the first thing that you're going to be streaming on your channel. Click this playlist right here if you want to learn more about live streaming. Mahalo.